In the early 1970s, doctors needed to know how much oxygen was in a patient's blood, but the answer came only through a painful needle in an artery. The result was useful, but it came too late to guide care in real time. For patients, it was a small wound repeated again and again. For medicine, it was an ordinary limit that everyone had learned to accept. At Nippon Koden, engineer Takuo Aoyagi was working on a different problem. The rhythm of blood moving through the body created what looked like unwanted noise, and that noise ruined the measurement. Most researchers would have treated the pulsing signal as a flaw and tried to remove it. Aoyagi did the opposite. He asked a more daring question. If the rhythm was tied to the blood itself, could the changing part of the signal reveal something hidden inside the artery? In that reversal lay the beginning of a new device. He focused on two kinds of light, red and infrared, and discovered that they passed through blood differently. By comparing how much of each was absorbed during each heartbeat, he established the theory of pulse oximetry in 1974. What had seemed like interference became the key to reading oxygen levels through the finger, without a needle, without pain, and without waiting for a lab result. At first, the invention did not become a sensation in Japan. Its power was quieter than dramatic. But doctors in the United States quickly understood its value. In operating rooms, it offered a new way to watch for dangerous drops in oxygen during anesthesia. As the device spread, anesthesia accidents caused by hidden hypoxia fell sharply. Years later, the world looked back and saw what had been created. In 2015, Aoyagi received a major international honor, recognizing the invention as one of the most important advances in modern medicine. He died in 2020, and soon after, the COVID-19 pandemic turned his device into an everyday safeguard in homes, hospitals, and clinics around the world. The small reading on a fingertip became a silent guardian of life. The story is also a story of Japanese craftsmanship. Aoyagi's theory became a practical tool because industry turned it into a small, reliable product. Minolta, now Konica Minolta, helped bring the first fingertip-type device into practical use. That step mattered as much as the original insight. It was the transformation of a concept into something anyone could hold, trust, and use. The pulse oximeter is a Japanese invention that changed global medicine not by noise, but by precision. It began as a failure, became an insight, and then became a standard. In the end, the mistake was not a dead end. It was the doorway to one of medicine's quietest and greatest successes.